Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video from LUVWIN Hair. They sent me over this beautiful highlighted 13x4 frontal. It's so beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's stunning, it's holding a curl and it's acting right. Okay, if you guys want to see me install this and see all the goodies that you get with this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. Okay, all right you guys, so we have a LUVWIN wig today. First of all, this is a velvet bag. This is velour. Okay, you know those two-piece jumpsuits you used to wear in like middle school? Yes. It's giving. So first we have some wig caps, headband, baby hair comb. Look at this. I never had one of these before. You need an edge wrap. You need an edge wrap. And a bonnet. And lastly, some lashes. These are like my style of lashes that I like to wear. I've been getting a lot of these, so thank you. I appreciate it. Here is the wig that we're working with. We have a highlighted body wig. These highlights are... Yes, it's giving dimension. Yeah, looks like a 13x4. We have 4 combs in here, adjustable strap here, and then we have the little grip around the perimeter, which I love these. The highlights are giving. It does look like it's pre-plucked just a little bit, but I think I might just leave it like this. We'll see how I feel when I put it on, but I'm loving these highlights. This hair feels good. It's nice and thick. It's 180% density. Yeah, I'm feeling these highlights a lot. And I like the little brass at the top, and then it gets a little cooler. I don't know why I'm liking that. So, all right, and I'm probably gonna keep it in a middle part too. So let's get this started. All right, you guys, so I'm all done styling this hair. The wig came out fabulously, okay? I love a little blonde number. I haven't worn blonde in a minute. Or actually, I'm lying. It was just a few videos ago. But it was curly. It wasn't like this. It was curly. But okay, so first let me tell you guys. So I just put some foundation on the party. I did some baby hairs. The lace turned out pretty well. This is how it turned out. I put some layers in it as well. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so I put some layers in it because I wanted to like do these curls in the front. So I layered it down right here to frame my face, then used my straightener and put these curls in. So yes, it's giving everything, okay? As I'm doing this here, I do think that it is like a 20-inch, maybe 22 inches. Other than that, she is looking good. She's holding down a curl for sure. The body wave is holding down the curl. I already wide tooth combed this out several times and the curls are just bouncing back. So this wig will definitely hold a curl. Wow, she's just so beautiful. This is a stunning wig, okay? Let me show you guys the back real quick. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, y'all can see you ain't blind. You ain't blind. All right, you guys, make sure you guys check out the description for all the information on this wig. Thank you again, LUVWIN, for sponsoring this video today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.